The Filipino antonyms maganda, which means beautiful or good, and pangit, which means ugly or bad. Maganda, pangit. Maganda, pangit. Ang magandang ugali ay dapat tularan. Good character should be emulated. Ang magandang ugali ay dapat tularan. Maganda means beautiful or good. Ugali means attitude or character. Tularan means to be followed or to be emulated. Dapat is like should or must. Ang magandang ugali ay dapat tularan. Pangit ang panahon para mag-swimming. The weather is bad for swimming. Pangit means not good or bad. And then panahon is weather para is for. And then mag-swimming is for swimming. Pangit ang panahon para mag-swimming. Siya ay may magandang puso. He or she has a good heart. Siya is he or she. It's gender neutral. And then maganda means good or beautiful. May is has or have. And then puso is heart. Siya ay may magandang puso. Ang pangit na kwento ay mabilis makalimutan. A bad story is quickly forgotten. Pangit means ugly or bad. Kwento is a story. Mabilis means fast. Makalimutan means to be forgotten. Ang pangit na kwento ay mabilis makalimutan. Yes, so ang pangit na kwento ay mabilis makalimutan. Once again, when we say maganda, it means beautiful or good in English. Pangit is ugly or bad. Maganda, pangit. Maganda, pangit.